whispers crawling, creeping on my skin. Painted faces, the last are cracked. The carousel spins, ain't no turning back. What's real? What's fake? Can you even tell? Step right up to the gates of hell. Round and round the madness flows. Where it stops, nobody knows. Carnival of chaos, welcome in. The freaks, the clowns, let the show begin. Mirrors shatter, reflections fight. Cotton candy clouds in a blood-red night. The tightrope snaps, the crowd just stares. A dance of danger, no one cares. Laughter echoes like a broken bell. A twisted tune, a wicked spell. Your heart beats ticking, time runs thin. In the carnival, no one wins. Round and round the madness flows. Where it stops, nobody knows. Carnival of chaos, welcome in. The freaks, the clowns, let the show begin.
Welcome to True Crime Unleashed. What I'm going to be going over today is the objection to defendant's motion for writ of habeas corpus in the Stacey James Wanderer case. Stacey James Wanderer is the gentleman that murdered Micheal Vaughn back in 2021, and as some recent stuff has come out, that he wasn't the only suspect in the case. There was 4 other people, including not only his wife, but 2 mutual friends that were staying with Stacey and his wife at their house. And one of the friends was patrolling around the neighborhood. And Tyler Vaughn, which is Micheal Vaughn's father, noticed that he was missing from the front yard. Stacey and some and his cohorts kidnapped Micheal Vaughn, murdered him. One of his accomplices, if you want to call him that, took Micheal Vaughn's body back to his mom's house and stood guard by the body until they buried Micheal Vaughn in the backyard of the Wanderer's house. State of Idaho versus Stacey James Wanderer. Objection to defendant's motion for writ of habeas corpus. Comes now. Kimberly S. Bratcher, a Payette County Deputy Prosecuting Attorney, and hereby objects to the defendant's motion for writ of habeas corpus. A writ of habeas corpus orders the custodian of an individual in custody to produce the individual before the court to make an inquiry concerning his or her detention, to appear for trial, or to appear to testify. State courts may issue such writs to prisoner custodians to produce federal prisoners. Right now, Stacey Wanderer is in federal prison in Arizona, and I do believe that they've either extradited him back to Idaho or he's trying to stall being extradited back. Idaho Code 19-4203 governs who may petition for a writ of habeas corpus. In an out-of-state prisoner may file a petition for a writ of habeas corpus under certain circumstances. Habeas corpus relief is not available for an out-of-state prisoner to challenge an issue concerning the legality of his out-of-state conviction or sentence, an issue concerning the legality of the fact or duration of his confinement in this state any issue concerning the legality of the contract or agreement or any terms thereof pursuant to which he is housed in this state. Any issue concerning the grant, denial, or revocation of parole for his out-of-state conviction and sentence, miscalculation for his out-of-state sentence, loss of out-of-state good time credits, or lack of failure to grant good time credits under the laws of the state of Idaho, a detainer lodged against him. Here, defendant requests documentation and evidence to legally hold him, requests of detainer issued to hold him in federal custody, and requests his arraignment hearing within 72 hours of being charged. None of these remedies are available under a writ of habeas corpus. Defendant is in federal custody after his probation was revoked on a federal sentence. In case number 0976 1 22 CR 00098 001. He is currently in the custody of the Board of Prisons in Phoenix with a scheduled release date of October 30th, 2025. Defendant is not in custody on any Fayette County pending case. A warrant has not been served, and there is currently no detainer lodged against him. Therefore, the state respectfully requests that the defendant's motion for writ of habeas corpus be denied. All this guy is trying to do, he's trying to dodge the fact that he murdered a child, and he's being charged with said murder, and he don't like it, so he's trying to figure a way out of it. Mind you, this guy was charged with the murder of Micheal Vaughn. A lot of people called him Michael Monkey Vaughn. His wife right now is currently in prison in Idaho. She is set for parole in 2026. The friend that was patrolling the neighborhood, he's currently in jail, serving a 30-day sentence for not meeting the requirements of his post release. The other guy who lives in Ohio basically served a 30-day misdemeanor sentence, and he's disappeared. Like, no one can find him now. So he knew that something was coming down the pipe, so he just disappeared like a ghost. Yeah, and I do hope that these other three individuals that were in cahoots with Stacy Wandra, I hope that they are eventually charged with Micheal Vaughn's murder, because they had a hand in Micheal Vaughn's murder as well. Yeah, this case has been going on for a long time. It's been like slow moving since 2021. And finally, here in 2025, this case is picking up speed. And the habeas corpus that Stacy Wandra wrote from the FCI in Arizona was a handwritten writ of habeas corpus. I'm going to be going over some more of these documents in the case in upcoming videos. I hope everyone has a safe and happy Thanksgiving. Make sure you guys hit that like button, the subscribe button, and click that bell notification. Make sure it's clicked to all. And while you're at it, share this video out. I hope everyone has a good Thanksgiving. This is True Crime Unleashed, and I'm out, guys. Peace.
Phone is laughing. one cares. Laughter